Okay, so this is a map of Chiang Mai. This is the old city in the middle. That's where a lot of the touristy stuff is, lots of temples. I'm over here to the northwest in the Nimon neighborhood. There's a mall here. I think it's pronounced Katsuan Kao. And then there's the Maya Mall, which is newer over here. And I got an apartment here at the Dome Residence. It's in between those two malls, which makes it really convenient. There's a lot of restaurants and cafes and stores all in walking distance. Here is some shaky sped up footage of me walking from the main street to my apartment. There's a little garden area. There's a cafe in the lobby, laundry, a tiny little gym. I did some research and I read that you can find an apartment pretty easily within like a day or two. So I only booked 2 nights at a hotel before I came. And I found this apartment on the second day, and that's only because I didn't really try looking on the first day. So here's my apartment. It's basically a hotel room. There's a fridge, a desk, a king-size bed, wardrobe, AC. I don't need a kitchen. I'm not gonna cook because the food is so cheap. It's probably cheaper just to eat out every meal. So the rent is 6,000 baht, which comes out to $184 a month. That's crazy. It's probably like a tenth of what I was paying in Los Angeles. I got a 3-month lease because my visa lasts for 2 months, and then I could do a 1-month extension. I actually could have paid less if I moved further away, but I didn't want to have to always take the bus or taxi or rent a scooter to get anywhere. I'd rather pay a little bit more and just be in walking distance to everything. So water and electric are separate, but it's still cheap. If you want Wi-Fi, that costs an additional $15, so I'm doing that. I mean, I was paying $50 a month for crappy Time Warner. If you want them to clean your room, that's an extra $37 a month, so I chose not to do that. I'd rather save the $37 for food and coffee and have a dirty room. Thank you very much. And this is going to be my home for the next 3 months. So you can subscribe and follow along my year-long sabbatical.